In today's video, we're going to cover the assembly of the Vive Folding Commode. The commode is easy to set up, easy to take down, so it's perfect for anyone with limited mobility. I'll also cover some tips and tricks for adjusting the commode and adapting it to suit your needs. Included with your commode, you will find one commode frame with pre-installed bucket frame and 4 pre-installed legs, one removable backrest, one toilet seat and lid, one bucket and lid, and one splash guard. Step 1, unfold the legs of the commode frame. Step 2, lift the bucket frame in place and secure with the locking pins into the sockets on the frame. Once the pins click into place in the sockets, you'll know that the front brace is secure. Step 3, turn the commode frame over and adjust the length of the leg sections using the locking pins on each leg. Press the locking pin in and adjust the length until the pin clicks into place in an adjustment hole, and make sure that all 4 legs are adjusted to the same length. Step 4, turn the commode frame right side up, and now we'll install the back rail. To install the back rail, depress the locking pins on the rail and fit them into the sockets on the back of the commode frame until the locking pins click into place in the adjustment holes. Step 5, attach the toilet seat to the back of the bucket frame and press down on both sides to secure it. Once secured, install the toilet seat cover over the toilet seat onto the back bar of the bucket frame. Step 6, lift the toilet seat and lid and install the easy to clean splash guard, followed by the bucket. The bucket can be removed and the splash guard left in place if the commode is used as a raised toilet seat. Thank you so much for watching. If you like our videos, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment below if you have any questions.